All right, in this problem, notice that as we approach 3 from the left, what is the value of f approaching? It's approaching 0. What about the denominator? As x approaches 3 from the left, what's happening to g of x minus 1? G of x, as we approach 3 from the left, is approaching a y value of 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have the indeterminate form here. That's why we can't just substitute in f of x's limit and g of x's limit, because it gives us the indeterminate form. So what can we do? Well, there was a clue in Part D. Part D said that these functions can be assumed to be linear from 2 to 3. Well, they certainly look linear. Well, they're telling us, yes, treat these as linear. So let's find these curves, these linear curves, algebraically and see what they are. Here we go. For this segment, it goes to point 30 right there, and the slope is rise -2, run 1. Slope is -2. So using point slope form, the y minus the y value of this point equals the slope times the x minus the x value of that point. All right, so we've got the equation for f of x. Now let's find the equation for g of x. I can erase this minus 0. Same thing, goes to this point, has this slope. So using point slope form, this equation is x minus 2. All right, now we're going to put these expressions for f and g, respectively, into our limit expression. There is the substitution, a little simplification. These factors cancel out, and we have a limit of -2.